Okay, so now you have your data. You are going to do the conditional formatting to highlight like the passers and the failures and then clean up your spreadsheet basically. So there's so many things right here that I don't need. I don't need any of these categories that have the feedback columns, posting time, Okay, so I got out the columns that I really didn't want. So I'm just going to sort this. And I'm going to sort it first, as far as I'm concerned, by period. Okay, so I'm going to highlight my data, custom sort, and let's see, I want period first. The name. Okay. So from here, I'm going to decide what my threshold is going to be for passing. So obviously, it's going to be like a 3 or above. All right. So then I'm going to do my conditional formatting where I'm going to make everybody that's passing green and everybody that's not passing red. So I'm going to highlight this over here, and we are going to go to new rule. Cell value, there we go. So I want greater than or equal to 3. I'm going to have it be green. And then click done. And then we're going to do a new rule. Less than or equal to 2 is going to be red. Okay, and now you're all set. So that's how I decided that I wanted to do this, to present this to you. You can sort this however you want. I just want to have the experience of analyzing your data and doing the conditional formatting. Now I have to have you put it onto your submission sheet. So you're going to go to share. You can copy the link, but I want you to just right here, decide, settings, anyone. Make sure it says view. Apply. You are going to go to here, and you're going to go to our view only submission sheet. And my name is already on here. And you're going to go to the second column and Control V.